install a rematch with the rivet version, and this is just a little video to show you. So we got the spacer and a 3mm drill. Just hold it up there, get the gap between the frame and there to mark it, and I'm just going to drill 3mm hole. Now I'm going to change the drill bit to 1 8mm drill bit. Drill in the same hole. And I'm going to take my 12mm drill bit. Actually, I think it's, yeah, 12mm. Drill my hole. Then I'm going to take my rematch fitting, put it in the hole, take my 3mm drill bit to mark the rivet holes. Take a 3.2mm drill bit just to enlarge the rivet hole for the rivets that come with rematch. Take my 2 rivets, put them in the rivet gun. You can buy these rivet guns in the Chinese bazaar for €7, including some rivets, but the rematch comes complete with rivets. Tighten it up, put my next rivet in the gun, and we put one in this hole here. As you can see, that's the fitting installed. We can slide the door open and closed, and when I install rematch into its hole, it's in there, it stops the doors from opening, and I simply take it out just to allow the door to open. Both doors remain blocked once rematch is installed. And there you have it. Complete installation.